All right, we have here a beautiful Quantum Edge 3 basic. When I say by basic, it does not have the tilt or recline. It's just you're getting the fantastic Quantum Edge base with just a captain seat, okay? Which is still a nice and very nice seat. This chair here is practically brand new. It was used less than a couple months. As you can see, it's practically, I don't even see a scratch anywhere. Quantum Edge 3 power chair, basic. 6 wheels on the ground, practically brand new. This chair will go up to 6 miles per hour. It has a captain seat. What that means is you can recline the seat back to here, or you can also fold the seat down. So if you transport this chair, this is about 32 inches right here, the higher point. Okay. Now, let's look at the base on this chair. It does have 14-inch solid wheels, matching rims with the color of the chair. Caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. You have an anchor point here and here. This is where you secure your chair. If you're going to transport it, you hook up right here. On both of these, on both sides, you have 4 of these, okay? If you want to push this chair, well, you can't push it because it probably weighs about 270 the way it's sitting right there. But the motor is tied right to the wheel, okay? You have a yellow lever. If you push it down, what that does, I always tell people to turn the power off. Look at the difference. All right, see that? So if you leave the power on, you'll have some resistance. So turn the power off, put it in neutral, and now you can roll it. You have 2 motors, one on each side, put them both in neutral. If you're done rolling it, put it back in gear. You can hear it. Turn your power back on, okay? What makes this chair fantastic is several things. It has a top speed of 6 miles an hour. But this has the greatest suspension in the world. So if you look at the suspension in front of this chair, you can see this heavy duty shock right here and right here. And you can see the same thing in the back. If you look at the back, there's your shock in the back right there also, okay? So you have 3 of these shocks to give you the best suspension in the world. And this shock takes care of these back wheels. These back wheels are independent, meaning if I raise this one here, the other one's still on the ground. Okay, so you have double suspension in the back. Let's look at the front of the chair. The front of the chair, you have a foot plate that flicks up when you exit. Right now, if I was to put it up, it's sitting right about here. This foot plate can be moved back 2 inches. There's 3 holes left, 2 holes left here, so we can move it to here. So the foot plate would be right here, but whoever had this chair wanted all the way forward, okay? Batteries in this chair always come out from the front. So on this chair, if you want to take the batteries out, all you have to do, squeeze the 2 levers in the bottom, pop the cover off. There are your 2 batteries. You have 2 batteries. They come out this way, back to back. Disconnect the 1 cable for 1 battery, and that's it. So I'm going to put this back on here. We're going to put the click. Okay, so now that's where the batteries come out. The seat on this chair is 16 by 18, okay? So we might be able to put an 18-inch cushion on here. It would overlap the pan an inch on both sides, which would not matter, but we're not gonna go any bigger. So if you want this chair, you're either gonna have to go with a 16 by 16, 16 by 18, or 18 by 18 cushion on this pan, okay? The joystick does flip to the side. It's got a swing away joystick. So that gives you more room if you want to get close to a table. If you're left-handed, we can put the joystick on the left side. Also on this side right here, you can see there's a little button. If I tap that button, you can see we have headlights and we have tail lights right here. Okay, so you have headlights and tail lights, and the button for that is right here. This should be off now, okay? You do have a safety belt. Remove the seat back up here where it should be. This chair turns on its own length. So if you turn a circle with this chair, it'll turn in its own length. So whatever the length of the chair is, so right now the wheels are spinning sideways in the back, so you can see it's turning because it's going that way. So right now it says that about 41 inches. So if I put a box in the front, a box here in front of the foot plate, that would be 41 inches. So the chair pretty much turns on its own length, like this all day long. The back of the chair We have the original manual from the factory right here in the pouch. The arms on this chair do go up. So if you transfer from the side, they do go up. They also go up this way, and they also go out that way. The headrest is adjustable. So when you charge this chair, you'll, well, it is adjustable. I just can't put my finger on it. There it is. It's on the back side. So there we go. When you charge this chair, you'll take your charger and you plug your charger right here, right below the joystick, like all power chairs mostly. And as soon as the light goes from orange to green, the batteries are full. So folks, if you're looking for a beautiful blue 6-wheel power chair, all solid tires, 6 miles an hour, with a captain's seat on this chair, with a swing away joystick, safety belt, just a great power chair. This is a really nice one. So this is a Quantum 6-edge power chair, Quantum Edge 3, Quantum Edge 3. Top speed in this chair is 6 miles an hour. The noise you hear on the ground is a bunch of acorns over here that are falling off the tree. So this one here is practically new, only used a few months, just practically brand new. Just a gorgeous power chair, 6 miles an hour. Should have no problem in the grass. Quantum Edge 3 power chair, practically new, just a nice power chair. It's very classy looking, that color and everything with the black motors. It's just in the black seat, just looks very sharp. We need to, hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.